Real quick air filter replacement. I don't know if you watched my previous video, but the air filter was pretty bad on this, so I'm changing it now. 10 millimeter on mine. You might have a wing nut. Yeah, so just take this off, and you will have to pop this breather tube. So that's done, and I just pulled this breather tube off and put it aside. Now there's just these clips. You just remove them. After all the clips are removed, you just pull it off like so. This side is pretty clean, so position this here. I don't know if you watched my video, but I had this out and actually cleaned underneath, so I'm gonna pull this filter, see if there's, if anything, you know, I might clean a little more, but in your case you actually have to clean. When you pull the filter out, just clean whatever, there's gonna be always junk in there, so just clean it up, and yeah. And let's see, so it's pretty bad. I mean, yeah, it's pretty bad and old. So changing this guy, and right now I'm gonna grab my paper towels, look in there. Oh, so see, there's a little more junk, so I have to clean that up. So let me do that really quick. And just be careful, do not drop any junk into that area, because that tube goes to the turbo, so do not do anything crazy with that. You can clean this area carefully. Here's the air filter I'm using. Let's see, I don't know if that's the part number or not, but yeah, pretty good filter. Let's take it out. Alright, so here's the new one, the old one. You can see the differences. This one says made in Austria, so pretty close to Germany. Yeah, we're gonna be putting that on. This was really dirty. So the reason why I'm using a napkin is so I don't get it I don't want to get it dirty, so because it looks really nice. And yeah, just gonna look at that. It just jumps in. The right filter is always gonna go in easily. And this one was some aftermarket one, made in USA. And yeah, junk. Oh look, you can actually play with it. That's cool. Anyways, this is all ready to go, and I'm gonna put this back on, just reverse order. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this washer, put a nut in there. This just snaps in. Just gotta give it a push. It doesn't always want to be friendly. Also, what you can do is put some lubricant in here. Alright. So everything is reconnected nicely. That's all. That's how you replace the air filter on this car. Same thing applies to W123s and other cars that have this type of air filter.